For your Christmas in July parties this year, you want an appetizer that's gonna blow your guests away. This is my smoked duck breast crostini. All right, so our smoked duck breast in the oven, 190 degrees, 10-12 minutes until it's nice and warm. We've got a gorgeous baguette here. All I wanna do is to get some nice slices. Then I've got a garlic clove. Now, all I wanna do is just gently rub the garlic clove into the bread to get these baguette slices extra crispy. I've got some duck fat and I just want to generously brush each baguette slice. These can just go in the oven on another shelf, cook away with the duck breast. So our duck breasts have heated through and our baguette slices, they're nice and crispy. Now I want to add some duck and orange pate. Next, I want to slice up our smoked duck breast. I've got a wheel of Camembert. What I want to do is just cut that in half, and we just want a little wedge of our Camembert sitting on top. So just a little spoonful of cranberry on each piece of baguette. And final flourish, I've got dill fronds here. Christmas doesn't have to be a mind duck with beautiful recipes like these.